Hi, welcome to another After Effects tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to fix the issue with the motion tile effect stops moving a continuously moving object after a certain amount of time. First, create a new composition. Name it Motion Tile Demo. Set the resolution and duration as seen. Now, let's create a new solid. Name it Vertical Grid. Set the width as composition width and the height as 3000 pixels. Go to Effects and Presets, type Grid. Drag and drop it over to the layer. Change size from parameter to width slider and set the width as 50. Now, create another solid. Name it Horizontal Grid. Set the width as 3000 pixels and the height as composition height. Apply the same grid effect to the new layer. Hide the vertical grid layer. Go to Effects and Presets, type Motion Tile. Drag and drop it over to the horizontal grid layer. Holding the Alt key, click on Tile Center stopwatch icon. Type, open square brackets, time, asterisk, minus 500, comma. Hold the pick whip, drag and drop over the Y coordinate and close the square brackets. Hence, Y coordinate will remain as it is since the motion will be horizontal. When we preview, it seems to be moving from right to left for a while. But later, the motion stops. It happens because the tile center parameter is a 16-bit signed integer, which can store a number between -32,768 and +32,767, and since we exceed this interval, it can no longer store the number while the number seems to be decreasing. Now, here is the solution. Delete the previous expression. Hold the pick whip, drag and drop it on the Y coordinate. Type, time, asterisk, minus 500, %, this, layer, dot, width. Let's preview it. The motion does not stop anymore. As you can see, the x-coordinate increase is limited now. We will learn what we have done here later on. Now, let's do this with the vertical grid layer. Apply the motion tile effect. This time, we will link it to the x-coordinate and change the y-coordinate value to time. Asterisk, minus 500, %, this, layer, dot, height. Since we will move the grid vertically, we changed it to this layer height. Let's preview. Before preview, don't forget like me to hide the horizontal grid layer and show the vertical grid layer. It works quite perfectly. So, what did we do? Before the fix, the coordinate value was increasing enormously because of the expression takes the current indicator time value, multiplies it with -500, and as the time indicator moves, the value increases. Here, we negate it to adjust the motion direction from right to left. And the % yields the remainder from the division of the coordinate value and the current layer width or height. Since we set the width for horizontal and the height for vertical grid layers to 3000, we've limited the increase, which will always be under 3000. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.